Good day. Today, I have to present about my industry training. My name is Mupentan from Polytechnic Nilai Negeri Sembilan, my matric number 2073. Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. The company that I went to the practical training is Seramtek Innovative Ceramic Engineering, which is located at Seremban Negeri Sembilan, Admin and Purchasing Officer. My supervisor name is Mrs. Panimala. She is the Executive Supervisor of Admin and Purchasing Officer. Company background of the Seramtek is primarily specializing in ceramic dipping former for glove manufacturing. 1,800 different ceramic dipping formers for plastic, latex, or vinyl gloves used in industrial, household, and surgical application. Seramtek Group is one of the world-leading manufacturers of technical ceramics and specializing in development, production, and supply of parts, components, and products made from ceramic materials. Company's vision is to achieve profitable growth and become the global market leader. Quality of the Seramtek is developing, manufacturing, and selling products made of the advanced ceramics in a manner that is cost-effective, ensure high quality and safety, and is environmentally friendly. Company's main product is former. There are 4 types of former, which is exam former, surgical former, household former, industrial former. Exam former to prevent the medical staff from transmission of infection agents between patients. Surgical former to act as a protective barrier to prevent the possible transmission of disease between healthcare professionals and patients during the surgical procedure. Household, they are particularly handy for dishes, washing your car, scrubbing floors, and without a doubt cleaning the bathroom. Household activities. Industry former is the gloves that are used in the metal industry, plastic industry, textile industry to prevent the heat. Our value is teamwork, passion, open and positive mindset, integrity, accountability, customer focus, learn and grow. These are the convictions reflected in our corporate values and unify our company across the planet. There's a 13 to 15 department in our company. The main department is Admin and Purchasing Department. Our organization background of the Admin and Purchasing Officer Department is our General Manager, MD, who is the Mr. Ravichandran. Executive of Admin is Mrs. Panimala. Admin Officer is Mr. Zira. Assistant of Admin Officer is Mr. Raj. Purchase Officer Mr. Emmanuel. And our department got 2 trainers, who is Ms. Kishantini and Muvendan. It's me myself. Okay. The industrial training activities that I worked at my company is purchasing requisition summary, canteen system and food supply checking process, which is we always have to check the canteen system and food, which according to the menu items, use of convenience foods, type of the service that canteen system that have, quantity of meals and number of meals periods. According to the timetable, we have the timetable who daily have to check the menu items and also the quantity of meals. Always arrange documents according to the label. Written and cancel PR summary report. We have to know the reason and for the future purpose about the summary report, and we have to give this report to our admin officer, who is Mr. Raj. Fill up purchase requisition form. Purchase requisition form is process that plays a key role in the buying process of an organization. It ensures that fraud is prevented and organization get the value of their money. We always have to get a sign from our manager, who is Mr. Sarah. He has to sign the purchase requisition for the ensure the fraud prevented and organization get for their value for the money. Check daily good receipt, a 2-way document that acknowledge delivery of goods by a supplier and their receipt by the customer. Goods receipt notes confirm that an order has been delivered and received as satisfactory to all the parties involved. We always, as an admin trainer, I always print the DO, which is delivery order, and then we have to write in the accounts book to get to pass to the account department to get the accounts giving the money and everything. GDX garage, which is we have to send the delivery like a uniform to the supplier. Then labeling for all the documentation, we have always label the documentation according to the file, and then we have to arrange in the cupboard. Pantry item stock check. Monthly we have to do the pantry item stock check. Then canteen system and facility check according to the description below. Uniform request report. After we give the uniform to the workers, and then we have make a report to the admin officer and also HR.